Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. In this channel, I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. So if this is the kind of content you'd love to watch, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share. So today I'm going to be showing you different ways you can incorporate fenugreek seeds to grow your hair faster and thicker. So fenugreek seeds are amazing because they help to strengthen the hair because they contain protein and our hair is made up of protein. So if your hair doesn't have enough protein, then it is going to break. So including fenugreek seeds to your hair care routine is going to be a game changer. I'm also going to be adding cloves. So clove is also amazing for increasing hair thickness, helping to grow your hair faster, eliminating and stopping all the hair problems you have, including baldness, hair thinning, excessive breakage and hair loss, alopecia, and all the scalp issues you have. If you haven't used cloves, I don't know what you are waiting for. You need to start using it right now because you are missing a lot. This herb is not a joke. I'm also going to be adding carrots. So here I have two medium-sized carrots that I will be using. Before I proceed, I'm gonna remove the peels and then I will grate them into small pieces. Carrots are amazing for providing softness to our hair, also helping to provide hydration and helping your hair to stay moisturized and hydrated for long. So if you experience a lot of breakage, your hair is dry and thinning, your scalp is flaky, including carrot to your hair care routine is going to be beneficial. I have been using carrots. I have used them for many times and they have really helped me to soften my hair, and also my hair retains moisture for long time without drying out once I use them. And how I use them in two ways, either making carrot juice for spraying on my hair and also making carrot mask. So once I'm done preparing everything, now I'm gonna transfer them to a mason jar. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. I'll also add 1 tablespoon of cloves. Just feel free to use any amount. After that, I'm following up by topping up the jar with the water, and I'm using hot water. You can also use cold water, but most of the time I like using hot water so that it can help infuse the ingredients faster. So after 24 hours, this is how it's looking. This is how everything is looking. The color is different now because the infusion took place. So now I'm gonna be straining out to get the liquid. I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point and you are enjoying it. And if so, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. So after straining out, now I'm gonna transfer everything to a spray bottle so I can apply on my hair later. So now we're done with the first method of how you can use fenugreek seeds or how you can incorporate them with other ingredients in your kitchen and grow your hair strong and thicker. So here I have some sunflower seeds that I will be using. Sunflower seeds are amazing for providing strength as well as helping to nourish your hair and provide softness simply because they contain natural oils and fats which are beneficial for our hair, especially if your hair is dry and brittle and you are experiencing a lot of breakage. Then including sunflower seeds at your hair care routine is going to be beneficial. You can use sunflower seeds in two ways: making sunflower seeds oil and making what I'm going to show you right now. We will also be needing this mason jar to transfer our ingredients. This is 1 liter jar. I don't have small one, but I'll use what I have. So right now I'm gonna transfer some sunflower seeds to the jar, like 2 to 3 tablespoons will be okay for me. I will also be transferring fenugreek seeds, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Just feel free to use any amount or quantity of ingredients depending on the amount of the treatment you want to make. After adding the 2 ingredients to the jar, now I'm going to be using water, and this time round I'm not using hot water, I'm just using cold water. So I will leave this to infuse for about 48 hours, and then after 48 hours I will go and check, and this is how it's looking like. Now you can see that the fenugreek and sunflower seeds increased in size, which means that they softened. Now I'm gonna be transferring them to a blender, and I'm going to blend everything into a smooth like paste consistency. After blending, now I'm going to be straining out, and I'll be using a weak cup to strain out. This has small and tiny holes. Just make sure to use anything with very small holes. Just use anything that you have, either a piece of cloth, a cheesecloth, or a stocking cup. After straining out, now this is how it's looking like. Just look at the consistency. This is what I was looking for. I don't need to make it more thin. Just this one is okay for me. Now it's done. I'm gonna be transferring it to this jar for storage and for use. How to use this: you can use it as a deep treatment mask. So do not leave this on your hair because it contains a lot of proteins because of fenugreek seeds. So just use it as a deep treatment and rinse it out after 1 hour of covering your hair. So we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next.